Hello and welcome. My name is Quintin Webb and this channel is Piston and Wrench. I hope to give a lot more information out and videos about cars and the technical side of it and how to do things, and also just for entertainment purposes. So I hope you'll enjoy what I'm doing and find it very informative. That's the purpose behind this. So for all of you who don't know me, please follow me on my Piston and Wrench channel. And I've also got a YouTube channel, Piston and Wrench. There's videos on there as well. And also I'm on TikTok. I haven't started posting on TikTok yet, but that's coming very, very soon. So please follow me and like my content. And if you're a YouTube subscriber, please subscribe to my channel if you want to. I need as many subscribers as possible so we can push more content out and better content, better quality. So please stay tuned and support me if you can. Thank you very, very much.